Thank you so much, Ajit ji. So, as you rightly said, Suryastra, it is a rocket launcher system with the capability to fire 150 kilometer and 300 kilometer rockets. So, recently, last week, we had the demonstration in ITR Chandipur. In ITR Chandipur, we were able to fire 150 kilometer with an accuracy CP of less than 3 meter. Similarly, 300 kilometer rocket launcher and the rocket was also fired with a CP of less than 3 meter. So, अगर आप देखोगे, today we have got an order from Indian Army under emergency procurement for this system. हमें आज emergency procurement में 2 launcher vehicle देना है, एक battery command post और एक loader vehicle देना है. So this is the delivery that we'll be doing to the Indian Army.
And Defence Minister Rajnath Singh will be flagging it off for the Indian Army.
Yes. So what we had to do is the equipment, the ground equipment that we had demonstrated in Chandipur, this is the same equipment that will be delivered to Indian Army. So these are ready, and today we would, with the presence of Honorable Defence Minister, we would like to do the flag off ceremony of this.
What is the future of Suryastra in the Indian Army?
So as you see today, अगर आप देखोगे, today we have Pinaka with a range of 70 kilometer and 120 going on. So this is 300 kilometer. So we intend to give this to the maximum regiments of Indian Army. And yes, we see good number of orders and good number of requirements this kind of a system in India.
What is the projected business that you are looking from this system?
I'm not sure if I can guess the numbers right, but then I'm looking at least around 5,000 crore of orders from this system, from Suryastra. From Suryastra.
And what is the, a lot of people say that it's a completely Israeli system that has been given to the Indian Army. It's actually pulse and now being called Suryastra. So what do you have to say about that?
Yes, I would say partially you are right. This is an Elbit system. So Elbit system has already delivered this kind of platform globally to their clients. So what we have done is we entered into a technology collaboration agreement with Elbit System Israels. And in last 2 years, in phases, we were able to indigenize this. If you see, even before we got this order from Indian Army, we were actually supplying the launchers to Israel. So last year, we had got orders for the launcher from Elbit System, which we were supplying. Elbit System was integrating and delivering it to their global partners or to their global customers. So we were already into this. And of course, in phases today, we have around 60% which we have indigenized. Going ahead, we intend to indigenize it completely 100%. In fact, I would say, going from this experience, we are also going to launch our Pinaka from this capability, and that would be our goal.
So it's a universal rocket launcher. So can you launch a rocket like Pinaka or a missile like BrahMos from the same launcher?
Yes. So it is a universal rocket launcher system, Ajit ji, as you said. In this, you can fire today 150 and 300 kilometer. We can also fire loitering ammunition that you see there. The Vayu Astra can also be fired from this. And going ahead, we would also want to fire Pinaka from this rocket launcher system. Yes.
And we can also see the Pinaka. So you
Yes.
have a TOT for that?
Yes. So Pinaka TOT we had got from DRDO, and we have been able to absorb the technology from them. Yes, we do have the platform to offer, which has been absorbed from DRDO.